Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Come home and relax in this recently renovated, centrally located, 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom unfurnished house, complete with a separate helper's bedroom and bathroom. It is completely grilled and has separate living room and dining room, a large entertainment space, single carport, storage room, and a large yard, complete with 2 mango trees. It also has 2 water tanks and a water heater. This spacious property, located in Waterworks, is less than a minute from Manor Park, which has multiple shopping centers. Property is ready for occupancy, so call and arrange a viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The monthly rental price for this house is Jamaican 250,000, US 1,585, Canadian 2,268, Euro 1,456, or 1,232 pounds. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.